Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna wail. Mail, yeah, mail. Mail. I got mail. Hey, I got mail. Hey. Okay. Anyways, I thought I'd switch it up a little bit for y'all today. So anyways, today is the seasonal surprise box. Not gonna hold you long. Gonna go ahead and get into it because I wanted to open it up myself. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you don't miss another one of my videos. All right, so let's get this thing open. See, this is real life out here. I really love y'all. Y'all probably done seen tons of other videos, but I purposely, I think I told y'all this before, I don't watch any of them until I get my stuff because I'm real particular now, because I mean, I'm just saying, I want to be surprised if it's a surprise box and be surprised. That's all I'm saying. So we open it up and it says make sunshine. How cute. If you guys didn't know, these boxes are reversible, so you can turn them around and use them all over again. And guess what? I'm here for it. All right, so this is the 2019 summer seasonal surprise box. Look at Erin looking all cute or whatever. And on the box it tells us, on the back it tells us all the things that we are going to be getting. So this has a clear quote wristlet, a summer, wow, this stuff is like about to tongue twist me. So summer journal petite planner, ooh, asterisk ballpoint pen. Okay, I'm glad that they told us it was ballpoint. You know, last time I was guessing. A shaped palm paper clip, sticker sheets, mini kaleidoscope color petite journal. Oh, so you get 2 of those. Huh. Okay, that's a sneak peek, and then that one's one of the exclusive ones. Okay, and an interchangeable metallic quote cover. Now, if you guys didn't know, like a couple of summers ago, they released one, and I think I still have it somewhere. It's one of her covers. It was absolutely gorgeous, and like I ended up going back and trying to buy it from somebody because I didn't realize it was going to be that gorgeous. And here goes another one that I just want to have in my collection, and I'll probably go ahead and switch it out too. So let's go ahead and get into this box. And if you guys want a chance to win this box, you guys have until June the 30th. Oh, that's for me. I'm gonna upload an original unboxing video to YouTube. So if you guys do have one and you're thinking about it, go ahead and upload an unboxing video and use the hashtag EC surprise box, and that'll give you a chance to win yours free for next time. And that's pretty cool. I'm here for that. All right, let's move it to the side. Well, I better keep that close because y'all know I be scrubbling. All right, let's open it up. I'm here for this yellow. Y'all didn't know yellow is my thing. It's my absolute thing. I love the color yellow and all this stuff inside, y'all. Hold on, let me, this is picture worthy right here. This got to go. Let me just stick that in there like that. Oh, that is so stinking cute. Look how cute that is. Wow, I'm here for it. Look at all of that yellow is just really sticking out, y'all. I'm being real. Don't mind me. Mind your business. I'm like literally taking my thumbnail picture right now because it looks so amazing. Okay, this is just beautiful. EC did the thing. They did a thing. Okay, now back to regular scheduled programming now that I'm done being, you know, all out of the place. All right, so this is what I really wanted to get a hold of. Oh, I make my own sunshine. It's a wristlet, y'all. It's a wristlet. How cute is this? I'm here for, wait a minute, hold on. Okay, this is a wristlet. This is like some type of real leather. Okay, it might not be for real leather, but it's a nice quality little touch here. I'm just saying, this ain't your everyday schmegula plastic. This some durable stuff right here, baby. Get into it. Okay, so this, okay. So this is a summer, what is this? Got to know now. I'm trying to figure, yeah, number 6. It's a mini kaleidoscope petite planner. Y'all, are they trying to tell us something? Are they trying to tell us something that a mini is coming? Y'all, if this come out, let me see, what size would this be? Because it's smaller than a B6, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this is smaller than a B6. So I don't know what size this is. Y'all let me know what size that y'all think this is, because this is probably a key indicator of what's to come. And I'm interested and I'm absolutely here for it. It says it's an exclusive right now, so I don't know, you know, what the plans are, but y'all, I'm getting excited. Okay, so that's the mini petite journal. The wristlet. Okay, we got some palm paper clips. Y'all know I like paper clips, so these are super cute. I can use these in the shop and just use them to like do my papers when I'm doing my orders together by the days and stuff. This is perfect for that. And let's get this pen out. I was excited about this one, and I'm not really sure why. Does this say exclusive? Let's see. Okay, so yeah, this is a sneak peek. So when it says sneak peek, that means we're just getting it first in this seasonal surprise box, and eventually it's gonna come to the store. And I'm trying to get this out as nicely as possible. Look at this, y'all. Look, this is ballpoint, okay, but I think I have some ink that can go in here that can make this do what it does. So let me get like a little sticky note or something out here. My little notes and stuff. Of course I'm gonna pull out an Erin Condren one, right? Okay. This is ballpoint. Ooh, now it's ballpoint, but it writes good. It writes good. I'm here for it. Look at that. Can y'all see that? It writes really good. Like I'm absolutely here for that. It's not my boldest, okay? It's not my boldest, but it writes really good. I like it. I'm here for it. Okay. All right, girl. You coming through with the come through now, okay? Now we have the summer journal, and let's see what this has, because it's specifically marked for summer. So when they do things like that, they normally have like some prompts or things like that go along with it, I would think. So let's see what's inside of here. Pop it wide open, pop it wide open. Or yeah, that's probably a better version. Oh, this is so cute. Is this gonna go with my summer theme? Oh my goodness, it's gonna go with my summer theme. Okay, I can't wait to show you guys my summer setup in my A5. Wow, yes, this is okay, so it's like a memory book, y'all. Okay, I keep saying y'all, I'm so country today. I don't know what's going on. It's like a memory book, you guys. Make my own sunshine and let the summer shine in, and let the sun shine in, and let the summer begin. Wow, it has a monthly in here. Okay, so this is popping. I want this summer to be, look at this, and the prompts. Okay, I'm here for it. And you can put a picture in there. Like, this is going to be absolutely perfect. I'm gonna start this weekend because I have my girls trip. So I'm gonna start it this weekend. Why not? So that'd be June, July. Let's see if there's another June, July, and August. Yeah, because by September I'm thinking fall, so I'm not really fooling with that. So if I can start it in June, I'm gonna go ahead and date that and stuff and let it be my June and just plan out the months. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. Okay, so I think all the prompts probably just do they repeat themselves? They may not. They all might be different prompts, to be quite honest. Let's see. If I could spend my whole summer, I would. One of my goals, you know what? These are like a lot of different prompts, y'all. So there's different stuff in here in each one that I'm seeing. So there may be some, you know, repetitive ones, but I'm not sure. So then we have a summer list. Oh, wait. So go here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That is so cool. All right, so it says looking back, you have your favorite moments, things I learned, things I'll never forget, intentions, looking ahead, things I'm excited about, plans I'm making, adventures I'm going on. Oh, I'm gonna love this. Summer list, nearby places to visit, faraway places to visit, places to eat, places to shop. This is going to come in handy because I want to do some more things with Bubba this week, this summer and stuff, and I want us to do a little bit of traveling, but not too far, because it's just me and him, and I get nervous, so I gotta baby step us on out with it just being us. Some nighttime activities, summer day activities, books to read. This is perfect for the book club. If you guys have not joined the Planning a Better Me book club, it is on and popping. We've already started our first book and it's about to be on. Movies that come out that we want to see, and any other type of like summer list that I want to make. And then when we visit places, we can mark them off. And I'm so excited to start this. This was a really great idea. Like, I'm absolutely here for it. Are you in for it? Are you here for it? Absolutely. And then it just says soak in the sun. And look, it comes with, wow. It already comes with the little date dots. So you can put it at whatever month you want to start it on. So I'm going to start mine in June. I can't wait to set this up. This is going to be awesome. This right here is worth it. Like, for real. This, and I mean the other stuff is too. Like these two right here, I'm already here for. Like, ooh, can I stick this? I can't stick this in here, but that could possibly be a thing if I wanted to go to the beach, but then it wouldn't be protected. Okay, I'm just making up stuff. All right, moving on. And then we have our stickers here, and this one says feeling tropical with the toucan sand, okay? Whenever I see those, I think of Lion King, and I also think of Fruit Loops. Just depends on what mood I'm in, and right now I'm thinking Fruit Loops, but you know, also I just can't wait to be a king comes to mind, so there's that. All right, and then we have another sticker sheet here. Ooh, this is so cute. Hey, I'm here for it. The strips, the little reminders, perfect for like a little spread. And then last but certainly not least, this is the amazing summertime cover. So let me get this out of here. Got to get out of here. So churchy. And this says chase the sun. Do y'all see that? It's like the rose gold. Sorry, my lights are probably like messing all of this goodness up, but look at that. Oh, it's rose gold and it's beautiful. I can't wait to put, I don't even know which planner I want to put it on. Like, that's usually my thing. I never know which planner I want to put it on. Do I want to put it on my deluxe? Do I want to put it on my work planner? I think I'll put it on my work planner because I see that one more often. So I think I'm gonna do that. But this is awesome. All right, this is the EC seasonal surprise box. So we got our cover here. We got our pen, which is ballpoint. In case I didn't say that, that's no shade. Just want y'all to be prepared. In case you try to buy this off of somebody and you get in, you like, they gave me ballpoint ink. No, that's a real thing. Okay, and then we have our 2 sticker sheets here. Trying to place these strategically so it makes sense. Okay, and then we have our little wristlets. Oh, the wristlet is so stinking cute. Our petite planner and our clips, and then our mini petite planner, which I think we should all keep our eyes out on just to see if this is going to be a thing that Erin Condren is up to. Are they up to something? They might be up to something, and they ain't let a girl know yet, but I'm okay with it as long as they hit me up when it launches, okay? That's all I'm saying. Thank you so much, Erin Condren. I am absolutely loving this. Is probably one of my favorite boxes, so I think this is like the second summer box that I don't want to miss out on, so I probably will make sure the summertime boxes I get. I'm actually very happy with this, and nothing I would change about it. I'm here for it. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next one. Mwah! KK, bye.